This is how to build with 4. Today, I am going to teach you how to build this eagle wings desk relic thing. I don't really care. I'm going to take a second I'm going to pause the video and and in that time where I pause it, I'm going to take it apart. I'm actually taking it apart right now, just to save some time. So I will pause now and see you in a bit. Okay, so I unpaused it and we're going to start building it. Let's start with the holders on the bottom. Take 2 of these 2x3 plates and put them down for now. And then on the bottom, put 2x2 upward slopes here and here. So it's kind of like, I don't know why I said that. Then take 1x2 up downward slope. So do 2 of these. Okay, sorry, I'm very sorry about that. Sorry, really sorry. Now, let's get on. So, do 2 of these. So once you have this, you have your stands. And to connect them, take 2 2x6 plates and kind of put them like this. So it's like, we're not connected, but we need to be together. But then take another 2x6 plate and put it on top, so it's connected. Then you're done. You're done with the bottom. Let's start building the top. For the top part, you'll need you need a 1 by 2 downward slopes right here. So it's like, and then fill in the spaces, but only fill in 3 spaces. 3. We want to leave 1x2 space right here at the end on both sides. Now, take a 2x2 upward slope and put it, 2 of them, and put it on the slopes. You just want the 1x2 spaces. So it's like this, kind of like a butterfly. And then do the same thing again. 1x2 downward slopes, and fill in only 3 spaces. Sorry here, but I've had a little misconnection, so I'm gonna pause one more time because when I have something bad, I'll pause. And if I pause, I just have to pause. So, wait. Actually, I'm not going to pause. It's all covered. Now, okay. So then you want to take a 1x4 tile, a 2x2 tile, 2 2x2 tiles, and put them at the end. Then take a two 1x4 tiles, line them up next to each other, then take a 2x4 tile and put it there. I couldn't find any more 2x4 tiles, so I'm just using two 1x4 tiles. But use whatever you want, do it in colors, and hopefully you'll subscribe to me. I would like that very much. And if you're just following, just follow. All I would like is subscribers. And I will care about it. Thank you for watching this video.